see a lot more of them. In fact, there's two of them on the left side out there coming up. Well, one just fell off. But there's another one up there. Next to the tree over there. And what y'all seeing out here right now too, of course, this is all natural. Ain't much at all been changed out here over the years. The place has kind of always been a wildlife sanctuary in a way, kind of big fish on the left side. I'll back up to this one. Actually, there's three of them over here. Two more out that way. There's one right here, so we'll back up and stare at it. One in the middle just came up right here. I'll tell you a little bit about these things. There's two of them right here. This is what they call a manatee. They live in the water. They do breathe air. They come up for air about once every 5 minutes. They can grow to be over 12 feet long, weighing over 1,500 pounds. They eat anything green. If it's green, they will eat it. And that's all they do is eat and sleep all day long. They got a top speed around 18 miles an hour, cruising speed about 6 knots. Wow. Yeah. On the left side, there's a turtle on a stick sitting next to that tree right there. Yeah, old turtle. There's an alligator on the left side too. It's just kind of parked there in the water.
Alligator.
And a few birds around. Oh, and hang a bird there above them.